safe, engaging, and helpful. Tahada Buying with Coinbase versus Crypto.com 2025 comparison. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing buying crypto on Coinbase versus Crypto.com. Which one is better, cheaper, and easier in 2025? Let's break it down step by step. So number 1, ease of use. Coinbase, super beginner friendly. You can buy crypto with just a few taps using your debit card, credit card, or bank account. The interface is very simple, perfect for newcomers. Crypto.com, also easy to use, but the app has more advanced features, which can feel a little overwhelming if you're just starting out. Hack 2, payment methods. Coinbase supports bank transfer, debit credit cards, and PayPal in some regions. Crypto.com lets you use debit credit cards, bank transfers, and even Apple Pay, Google Pay, depending on your country. Threes. When buying, Coinbase, known for higher fees if you buy directly through the regular app, around 3 to 3.5% with cards. Cheaper if you use Coinbase Advanced with bank transfers. Crypto.com generally has lower card fees, especially for first-time users, and they sometimes offer 0% fee promotions. If you use or stake CRO token, fees can be reduced further. 4. Speed of purchase. Coinbase, instant when using a debit credit card. Bank transfers take longer, 1 to 3 business days. Crypto.com, card purchases are also instant, while bank transfers may take 1 to 2 business days. Security. Both are highly secure platforms. Coinbase is a publicly traded US company with strong insurance policies. Crypto.com is also trusted worldwide and offers multi-layered security plus 24/7 support. Which one is better for buying? Choose Coinbase if you're a beginner and want a very simple, straightforward buying experience, even if fees are slightly higher. Choose Crypto.com if you want lower fees, more payment flexibility, and extra perks like cashback rewards on their crypto card. My tip: if you're buying small amounts occasionally, Coinbase is the easiest, but if you're buying regularly or in larger amounts, Crypto.com can save you money in the long run. That's it for today's comparison. If this helped you decide between Coinbase and Crypto.com, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications